Hello, giraffes. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Thank you for coming and joining me in my little book nook corner while I come and read you a story. Today's story is a springtime book called Rabbits and Raindrops by Jim Arnosky. This first page is of a rabbit's nest. Did you know that rabbits make nests? Not like birds up high in a tree, but down low in a burrow. Those are a whole bunch of baby rabbits curled up in a nest. Mother rabbit sits by her nest under a hedge at the edge of a green lawn. Her 5 babies are ready to climb out of the nest for the first time. Mother rabbit hops out into the bright sunlight, onto the green grass. One after another, the 5 baby rabbits hop out onto the lawn. Ooh, I'm going to go back a page because some of our friends have been finding something when they are outside on their walks. And if you look really closely at this page, you will see it too. Look down into the leaves. It's hard to see because it's a dark part of the drawings and the illustrations. But all the way down, right about here, there is a red spotted newt. They nibble clover blossoms and leaves. They meet grasshoppers, spiders, and bees. All of a sudden, the sky turned dark and big, heavy raindrops begin to fall. Wow. Those do look like really big, heavy raindrops. A rabbit's fur is not waterproof. Baby rabbits can become soaked and catch cold. So Mother Rabbit hurries her babies back under the hedge. They need some protection. From their dry shelter, 5 baby rabbits watch the rain pouring down. A butterfly flutters in under the hedge and rests on a dry leaf. Soon others come inside, out of the rain. Look closely, see what else you see. Out in the shower, honeybees buzz by, flying between raindrops to stay dry. Can you imagine being able to fly between raindrops? Suddenly, the shower ends, and the last few raindrops splatter down. Who else has come into the area? All together, the rabbits hop out onto the lawn. To taste the wet grass and play rabbit tag in the sun. I wonder how many of you have seen rabbits hopping around already this spring. The end. Thank you for joining me today. We wish you well, we wish you well. All through the day today, we wish you well. Goodbye.